What is good? It's actually day 2 of owning coilovers, and not just owning them, actually having them on. I apologize. I did record the installation video, but I came into some issues. All right, basically what happened was me and my buddy Luis, we installed the coilovers that day and we were recording, but because I was so busy installing them, he was the one mainly recording, so he airdropped all the videos to me at the end of the day. Now, this is the second time we've done that. The first time when he recorded a lot of the videos for like an old project, when I tried to upload them on a laptop, they said the file was corrupted. So I couldn't upload a old video, and the same thing happened with this one. So pretty much he had 80% of the coilover installation video. So I only had the beginning of the day and the end of the day, so I just had to pretty much delete the whole video. But to be honest, you guys didn't miss much. I just hurt my hands that day, messed up my wrist, and it was my first time installing coilovers, so I wasn't really gonna make an instruction video telling you how to do it, how much to torque and all that stuff. And yeah, there's just better videos out there. And as a matter of fact, the video I used to install these coilovers wasn't even a coilover video. I used a stock strut replacement video, just so I knew the steps and how much to torque myself. But I wasn't gonna replicate that video and show you guys how to do it. That's not my style. So yeah, go watch some Chris Fix or something. I mean, that's who I learned a lot of my automotive skills from. And I guess I learned some stuff from like my old job, but Chris Fix the guy. All right, enough of talking. This is what the coilover looks like. I can fit 2 fingers in this gap. For the rears, I can fit, let's see, 1, 3, about, I would say 3.5, or I guess 4. I don't have small hands, I have normal size hands. At least I think I do. Yeah, I had to drive the car out to give you guys a better. Yeah, that's where we're at. So yes, I did get BC Racing coilovers. I got the BR series. To be honest, I don't know much about, the other series or the other styles, but I know mine came with camber plates. Let me show you guys that. Yeah, mine came with camber plates. I just kept it at the preset they came in, even the compressions. I'm not sure if they're twisted at all to the right or left. Maybe there's just in the middle, I guess. I don't know, but I kept it at the presets it came in. And the presets they come in, guys, it's what's best for your car. Well, at least that's what they recommend. So it's not a harsh ride. It honestly feels good, but I am lowered, so I do have a lower center of gravity now, and obviously I have better looks. I mean, I still have that tiny gap right there, but I can lower soon. But look at the rears from here. It looks great. I did plan on installing the strut bar on again, but I came into some fitment issues because I'm not sure it was like the stud size or the angle of the studs on the strut tower, but I could not fit my strut bar in there anymore. So I tried to drill out bigger with the hand drill I have, but after an hour I was barely able to get it bigger. And so yeah, pretty much I won't be running it for a while until I make some huge adjustments. But yeah, look at this whack paint job I put on just to make sure it didn't rust, and I'm not even using it. But if you want to buy it off me for 40 bucks, I mean, I'm only selling it for 40 because I made it a little janky, but if you want it, hit me up. I already know I love the rear, but look at this. It's so much crazier now. Well, I guess you can't really tell on camera, but in person, it's pretty crazy, man. Oh yeah. Owners, just FYI, your rear strut towers are right behind your seats. It's right here. Here's a seat. There's this panel here that you take off from with the 12 mil, like down here, and you push the padding up, then out. I don't really have anything to show you guys in this video. It's gonna be very short just because, like I said, the whole installation video got corrupted, it's deleted. So just gonna give you guys a little bit more quick looks at the car, and then a roller video will come out soon, you know, like some cinematics, all that fancy stuff.